Hi, my name is Ramchandra Dineth. Today, me, my friend Meenakshi, and Raman are going to talk about the Pixie systems, which has been developed with the help of Tableau software. My friend Meenakshi will come and start with the introduction of the topic.
And which is based on the data analytics using Tableau. So as we move further, we can see the introduction of Pix Systems. So Pix System is the leading company and in the toys of manufacturing, and its branches are the different location, and they sell their toys through the third party distributors. And because of its study, we are to get the problems that they are facing in the system to make the changes so they are able to get rid of the problems, and the issues are related to the financial improvement. So there are like 5 to 6 kind of improvement, which are manufacturing improvements, operational improvements, address related issue, because they are able to away from the issue that they face in AP, and AP is account payable. So, and we also look at the issue like address issue in addition to error initiate in the process data plus confirm the facts and figures that the technical heads feels and needs to discuss with the team. So as we move further, we can check with the diagram. So this diagram is based on the AP1, which is Washington plant, which is having 8760, and the distributed center, which is having 1560, and I think this is the minimum one. And as we move further, we can check with the Sao Paulo plant, which is 4200, and then we move further with the Mexico City, that's plant is 5700, and the Shanghai is 8520. So we can discuss about the diagram, what's actually diagram is based on. So the diagram is based on, it's about the error in the inventory numbers, and from this we are able to see that the Washington plant is having highest error difference, and that is 8750. And the second place is occupied by the Shanghai, and plant is also having the more than 8500 error, and the inventory, and with that 5700 Mexico City plant, which is the third position and is also has the difference in the inventory, so that the number comes of the Sao Paulo plant, which is 4200 inventory difference, and 1560 is the last and also has the error difference in the inventory, that is distributed center. So I think like Sao Paulo is the minimum number which is having the inventory, and so overall we can see that the Washington plant has the maximum one, and the Sao Paulo is the minimum one, and is the inventory count, and the inventory is expected. So as we move further, we can see about the payroll. So payroll is all about the pay type. So it's just about the salary. So we can see that we can get either hourly salary or we can get the salary. So that's the employee type. So the employee type is the hourly salary and the pay type. So it's just depend on the bar plot shows about the payment promptness and the way that the employee takes place in the payment. So basically we can see that we have two types of first in the employees that has on the hourly basis and the employee that are on the salary basis, and we can able to get the weekly basis have the maturity, and it has about 59%, and on the other hand we can see it's about the 41 of the salary basis. So I'm just handing over my topic to Ram, so he will discuss with you.
Hi guys, my name is Ramchandra Dineth. Today I am going to talk about the inventory cycle using the Tableau platform. Here from the last diagram we can talk about the finished goods, where we can see that there are maximum finished goods in Shanghai plant, and the second number comes is the New York store, that is somewhere around 8420, and the third one will be the Washington store, which has about 7660, and the least stands for the Sao Paulo plant, and it has least finished goods, and that is 6855. So these are the count or the numbers of the finished goods in the inventory stock. The next one is the customer sales. This one's the above graph shows the customer's data that has been on a promotional price or able to get the product in the promotional price, And here we have two categories that we need to see in the first case, and we have those records where we have special orders, and on other we have records where we don't have records, and the number of records in the promotional is 4 in 5% and 2 records on the other. I'm handing over to my friend Raman.
Hi, this is Raman Bidkar. My student ID is 42999. My other team members already discussed about the PEXA systems process, and now I'm going to talking about the recommendation for improving PEXA system. We have to need to minimize the error difference for the better productivity, and need to minimize the gap between the other information system and other the things are effect on there. And there the stock size should be increased on Saturday as the particular days. Like the promotion prices should be increased to follow up the sizes and customer needs. And then need to work on the discount as per the increase on the promotional days. And then the particular we have to select in the particular day the promotional events that occurs on the events. And other slide is the explain the recommendation on system control, like how we can control on the systems. There's that we have to check the inventory expected, the inventory count difference due to the company, and check the inventory selected at the company's name and other things, and check the stock level time to time and for the forecast and day to day. And the promotion offer should be approved, and our payments like our payments time to time and fulfill should be monitored or tracked. Salary and inductive and other things are more very good, improved more. And then the minimum inventory error are very good for there. And the requirements promotion offer should be good for the customers. Thank you so much.